How to add background music fade in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and make sure your background music track is imported into the timeline. You can drag and drop your audio file right under your video track. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want the music to start fading in. Usually, this is right at the beginning of the music track if you want a smooth introduction. After that, select the audio clip in the timeline, then hover over the top left corner of the audio clip until you see a small white handle appear. This handle controls the fade-in effect. Now, click and drag that handle toward the right. The further you drag, the longer and smoother the fade-in will be. You will see a diagonal line form that shows the fade curve on the audio clip. If you want to adjust the fade duration precisely, you can zoom into the timeline to get a better view of the audio clip and move the handle with more accuracy. Finally, play back your timeline to check how the fade-in sounds with your video. Make any adjustment if needed by dragging the fade handle until it feels just right. And that's it. Now you know how to add the background music fade in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.